Good morning, everyone. I wanted to do another video on my approach to gestural portrait. When I'm aiming for a likeness with my sketch, I take a little more time before each stroke to roughly calculate the angles and measurements of each perceived line and shape. Triangulation is a nice shorthand technique I use for quickly placing a line within context with some accuracy. When I say triangulation, I mean creating an invisible triangle between 3 points to better plot down the horizontal and vertical distance of those 3 points, as I will illustrate here. This is something that will require a lot of muscle memory to develop and a lot of practice. A great way to develop this accuracy and comfort with the figure is through daily gesture drawing sessions. My current routine of gestures is about 10 gestures at 15 seconds, 10 gestures at 30 seconds, and 10 at a minute, 5 at a minute and a half, and all the way up until I reach 5-minute gestures. And from there, I will do the more long sustained poses of several minutes to 10 minutes. This will help you to loosen up at the beginning and force you to focus on the large picture strokes, like the lines of action and major rhythms. The longer sustained gestures are just as important and will help you train to see the rhythmic relationships of the secondary and tertiary shapes, like what you see in the muscles, the facial features, and all those smaller and finer details. Even the rhythms and relationships of the shadow and light shapes. I think it's a big mistake to just focus on one or the other. For the broadest understanding and control, you have to train yourself to do both quick and long sustained poses. I know for myself, I get tempted to just do longer sustained poses at the beginning, so I'll be able to feed the algorithm gods of Instagram and Facebook each day with a more polished drawing. This cheats myself of having full range of practice. I know it's tempting to avoid those quick gestures, since usually they aren't as pretty or worthy of an audience, but they are very important for you and your development as an artist. I promise you, they will lend to a much better long sustained drawing later. Anyway, this is all I have for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe, like, comment if you want to see more. Also, if you want more in-depth videos, I will leave a link to my Gumroad tutorials for you below. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.